Hi, Agnes here. I just like show today how use the Newcolours paint and products on that beautiful table and the chairs. And our client have request to have that table and chairs in Alabaster White. We just show step by step how use our products on that table. First step is to clean the furniture with the soapy water. We just clean them, degrease them, and take all dust from them, and they be ready for painting then. Next step is we'll be using the blocker. All the time when you open the can, paint on any product, like you have to make sure you mix well. We'll be use the blocker because we just want add that furniture the lighter look. Blocker help us to protect and sell and block all the dark color from the furniture. That's why we use blocker before painting. Next step is the fun step. Like we can start painting. To get alabaster white, we have to mix the three colors: the milk white, this coffee brown, and custard yellow. We just put little bit of custard yellow to the white and ice coffee brown small bit to the white. You can come closer by that alabaster white. Now we can start painting. We can use brush, start painting. The paint need the two coats. Good weather. First coat dry in around the 30 minutes. You can start then put the second coat after 30 minutes, only if you have good weather. Hi, on that table, I just want to show how use the wood stain from the Newcolours. I'll be used today the white wood stain from the Newcolours on that table. By sanding that table to the raw wood, just to show how beautiful wood stain can show that grades what that table have on the top. Let's start. First, all the time we mix the product beforehand. After 15 minutes, we can wipe off any excess of the stain. Let this dry around 3-4 hours. And we can finish with hard oil then. That's how this looks now.